Hi, Nona.
Hello, John.
I know you were here last night, but it's nice to see you again.
Oh, thank you.
You talk for a sec. I'm going to ask you, Steel and Tube plans to raise just over $80 million from shareholders, and I'm going to drink because I've got a bit of a cough.
Oh, my. Well, yes, that's right. Steel and Tube are going to be raising $81 million from shareholders, and the reason why is that they have an awful lot of debt. So they're going to be using their money to pay that down, and that gives them a fresh start, an opportunity to put the company back on a strong footing because, you know, they have been through quite a lot and the shareholders have certainly paid a price for that. Now, they're going to raise the money through an offer to institutional investors that they're going to hope to raise $21 million that way with shares at $1.15, and then they're going to offer other shareholders $1.05. They can buy these shares for $1.05 to help raise the money. That's a significant discount to what the company last traded at. That was $1.46. So that's a 28% discount. So good deal for the shareholders.
Nona Pelletier gave that answer while I was staggering over to the corner of the studio.
I tried not to pay any attention to that.
I wish people could have seen how magnificently calm and professional you were as I was turning the same colour of your jacket.
You look a little bit blue there as your jacket. That's right.
By golly. The business consultancy KPMG says a drop in confidence among New Zealand's top CEOs is reasonable.
That's right.
Why?
Well, now, we've had a lot of surveys, as you know, John.
More surveys than we can say.
And they've mostly been negative. In fact, quite negative. This latest survey is, you know, also negative. Not surprising, but not as bad as you would have thought. So top 50 companies, the CEOs of the leading companies in New Zealand found that two-thirds are less confident about the outlook for the, two-thirds are still confident about the outlook for the economy. Two-thirds, that's not too bad, but that's not as well as the year before when three-quarters were more confident. Now, the reason why isn't just because of, you know, housing and whatever. It's mostly government policies and global events. So the trade policies of the United States that's causing uncertainty, and Brexit. So there's been a lot of uncertainty around Brexit that we saw there's just been some more stories coming out of the UK. So the governor of their bank, central bank, came out last week and said that there's a chance that the UK may leave the European Union without a deal.
Hard Brexit, baby.
Yeah, hard Brexit,
bang.
yes. And now their Trade Minister, Liam Fox, has reiterated that. And that caused the pound to fall to an 11th month low against the US dollar. So yeah, there's a lot of uncertainty out there, and it's not all that we're seeing at home. And I guess that's part of what what these surveys are showing us. We've often talked about like construction sector and housing market, but there's a lot of other things going on in the world that's unsettling.
Yeah, gosh, Brexit's fascinating.
So it's not everything we can solve.
By golly. David Cameron must just be, I would think he'd be hiding under his bed, wouldn't he? Does he go out anymore? Has he been seen in public
I haven't
lately?
seen him. Have you?
No.
I haven't bumped into him. Perhaps he's hiding down under somewhere. But anyway.
What happened on the markets today?
Well, our index that fell, that's the top 50 index, fell 0.3%. That's 27 points down to 8,876. That's not a huge drop. The dollar is also trading at 67.3 US cents, 91 Australian, and at 52 pence, and that that's reflected there in our markets too. So, yeah, it'll be an interesting time. I'm expecting more volatility, John.
Thank you very much indeed, Nona Pelletier.